Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's today, Tuesday, August the 24th, 2021. We have here only one, a regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, but there's also a lot of puzzles and Sudokus in additional. I believe there are 9 extra Sudokus or puzzles in additional. So a lot of Sudokus to solve, and only 5 of them I will solve. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3286. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits, and the printed digits total of 26. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about 17317? How about the 4 in the first column? 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Alright. And I cannot continue with the 4. What a pity. How about the 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row? So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then. Yeah. 4. We have a pair in the middle row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. So now I can continue with the 4 now. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, false alarm. I cannot continue with the 4. Yeah, need to wait again with the 4, but I can continue with the 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Then. Let me choose another number. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 2. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 137, and look, we have a 1, and the 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 7. Well, as a pair, we have already a 1 in this big square. So no a 1 in this box. The 1 should be there, and the 7 goes there. One box left in the first column for the number 3. Yes, the 3 is missing. Alright. Then. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2 we have here. The other pair should be the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, and we have a pair again. 3 and a 6 in the first column, 3 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 and the 6 should be in those two boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, the other two boxes in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 2 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the second column, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, now we have two boxes left in the second column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8. 5 and the 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 2, 9, 5. Okay. Let me see. 5, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 6 in this column. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Alright, now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright, and then we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. No, I still cannot continue with the 8. Okay, one box left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing in this row. Yes, the 2. Alright. 7, okay. Then 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. One box left in this row. 1. The 2 is missing, yes, 2. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between. The only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Three, 4, 2, 5, 7. Okay. Ooh, 8. Should be here. 8, 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers. Wait. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2. Number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing in this big square. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 1 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. Then 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes, the 5 is missing. Double check. Yes, the 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Right. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Let me do one more. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. The 2. 1 box left in the second row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and the 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers. Oh, now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, because for 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 40 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. Yes, with the time. And I thought it was a false alarm, but yes, I have managed to solve this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other puzzles. I will do 5 out of 9 in the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.